So we're trying to get it all hooked up before Jason gets here, and Kate's gonna help me back it up because I've never backed the boat before.
Okay.
Think we got this?
Yeah, I've just never backed it up before.
Sorry, Aaron, if I hurt your van.
It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Life is calling and the world is beautiful. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
What have we forgotten?
Bill.
There's Bill.
We forgot him
But what do we need?
the whole season. He helped us set up our sails and our rigging, and then he took off. And so as punishment, we just went sailing without him the whole summer, waited till it was cold to take him on our boat.
Okay, but what are we forgetting for this exact time to get off the dock?
So get off the dock. What do we need to get off the dock?
Fuel.
Oh, let's go take care of that. We need, oh yeah, let's do that. Yay, it's open.
Woo! Y'all ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
We're gonna tip Bill out, right?
He'll tip himself out. Good, thanks.
So we can actually have some daylight to challenge ourselves to
fast can you put it
safely
up?
set it up the fastest possible.
Okay, deal.
So I got a fortune cookie the other day and I thought of you guys. It said over prepare and go with the flow.
Over prepare?
Yeah.
I think it's talking about you, not me.
I was like, it can't be us. We went on the lake with no rudder attached, no motor lines.
That's learning. But when you get on the boat with your family, you're gonna have all the
Oh, okay.
safety equipment and everything, and then just go with the flow. Alright?
That's a lot more positive than I thought it was gonna be.
What do you think it was gonna be like?
That's some
You guys
smart
looking
alecky
at your ass?
comment.
These idiots.
Two sailing brothers equals
Think it's gonna work?
Well,
we need to-
we'll make it work.
We need the sails up to do it though, don't we?
Yeah, we do need the sails up, so we're gonna turn the boat around and put the sails up.
Okay, you want to
Gotcha.
walk the bow around? Can you take this and just toss it back to me when on the other side of the boat?
Yeah. It came off. Dang it.
Come on, Doug.
All right, here you go. You're gonna.
Hold on. Pull it down. Okay, cool.
There you go.
Okay.
So Bill, we waited all year to take you out, and we picked the warmest day.
Hell yeah, it's about time. I never get an invite on the boat. Sailing brothers.
Yeah, that's pretty bad, huh?
We've been on yours twice. So I'm gonna have to like gradually put the keel down as you guys are steering us out, huh?
Yeah. I think we'll just slide other way. We're at a, looks like a beam.
Here you go.
Okay, let it go, Doug.
All right. Hey. I think we did it.
Did it.
Yeah, look at that.
Holy cow, that's so cool. We just sailed off the dock for the first time. Yeah!
All right, so we're heading right into it.
Hold on, I got it.
Should we tack then?
No, not yet.
Because it's coming right at us.
Yeah, you're gonna lose all your boats right now. You don't want to be like this. With a tanker, I'd fall off again.
There we go. So I get a little speed up and then I'll tack. Stop turning.
I think we could sail down the shore a little bit. Well, whatever.
Yeah, it's got a little distance.
I don't know how deep the water is. Should I get the centerboard all the way down?
Yeah, go ahead and it's counterclockwise, I think.
Yeah, 'cause we're definitely sliding. It's gonna be watching it.
This way.
It's a little different weather than last time.
Which last time?
Last time with him.
Yeah, that was only 2 weeks ago, wasn't it?
It's not very long ago at all.
Pull the sail. You should want to pull it all the way up like that. That's the best part of sailing. I had a dud. Bruised up, cut up.
I think I just poured it in there. Try it and see if it's good enough.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're not normally right there.
I'm not normally right here. I'm always right there. But now I got someone responsible.
Oh, we hit something.
Hold on.
It was like it sounded all pretty. We're getting lots of speed, and then stop.
We're gonna do a jump here.
So how'd that go?
A little excitement and otherwise a dull day. Running aground.
We're leaving it behind though, so.
Two types of sailors: those that run aground and those that have yet or have lied about it. Crazy. What? They charge you $3,000?
Like $2,500
Oh my gosh! How could they tell?
because I stuck it hard on it. What sucked is it wasn't like this when you just hit mud.
Yeah, the keel just kind of retracts.
Keel hit a rock. It was like hitting a cement wall.
Was it a solid keel or was it a?
Boom, yeah. This boat's awesome, guys. I love it. This thing's a ride.
Definitely had some fun on it. There we go.
Humming again.
That's like the best sound. I love that sound.
Okay, but don't you turn it while I'm walking back. I'm holding on to the mast. You aren't dumping me in. I'll let my boat tip over.
I still have straight. So let's test Doug's man over. Let's go.
Hey, you're at the helm. Oh!
That's how you do it, Mikey.
It's never gonna get old.
So this guy at work today, when I told him I was going sailing, they said, keep everybody in the boat. And I said, well, we've stayed in the boat the whole time. And then the other guy said, or my coworker said, I saw that guy fall off. He deserved it.
I wanted a boat that was just slightly bigger than my boat, but not too much bigger. So that's
The
what I
19.
thought. Yeah.
Did you ever do your other boat?
No, but I'm probably gonna. I'm not gonna keep both.
How many boats do you have? 6? 4?
2. One, I think.
You have the 2 little ones. The 2.
5, 6. 6 sailboats, plus a sailing canoe, plus 2 windsurfers.
Well, it's not much wind. So are we going to sail to the dock again too?
Why not? I don't think it'd be hard. I mean, in this light wind and everything, you're not gonna do it.
It'd probably be better than what we've been doing motoring lately.
Well, we've been motoring in 30 knot winds or 25 knot winds. It's it's really hard. We were the only ones struggling.
Yeah, it was snowing yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
shades and dark.
So when I was in 7th grade, my friend's parents had a boat, a little bit bigger than this one. And they let us take it.
Take it where?
Well, we sailed it off to this island south of us.
Where'd you grow up?
In South Florida.
Oh, okay.
But they let us take it for a week. It's freaking awesome to be that young.
13?
Running around on a boat like this.
I'm not sure I'd
They
do
were a
that.
little older than me. They were like 15. I was 13.
13.
It's freaking great, man. Like sleeping on the boat, just the stupid you do when you're a kid and you get like some freedom. It's a lot of fun. I made it like a rule that we were using the paper charts. And but we were never so far offshore that you couldn't see one island or the
Sure.
next. So we could always do this dead reckoning of like finding ourselves. But we used the charts.
I was reading this book, Get Real, Get Gone, and it's about sailing inexpensively. And one of the things they strongly recommend is even if you're going to use GPS, which they use, you should always use a paper chart because obstacles show up on a paper chart when you're plotting your course that don't show up on your electronic navigation unless you zoom in.
Closer!
Oh, I didn't even touch it. That's racist right there.
Oh, you knocked it!
I was trying to.
Titanic.
We learn a little bit every time we do something.
Yeah. It's a trial by fire on a sailboat.
Yeah? It's a lot more fun.
Yes.
He's not used to living that way though.
I'm
It's-
not.
It's
I'm
kind of
very-
funny.
Yeah, I noticed Jason wanted to like study all the books.
Oh yeah, and
pass
I've
all
done
the
it, and I've done
tests.
good at it. I'm certified basic keel.
Certification.
No, but it gives you like you're aware of blind spots that you may or may not have.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
It
Like,
gives you comfort knowing, okay, I know the basics according to someone else.
Yeah, like I don't know how to turn on a light on a boat.
But you own 6 of them. What's funny is like I always thought I was, you know, the crazy one, and then I met you, and I was like, oh, I'm like between these two. 'Cause everything he does, he just over prepares, over
That's
everything.
what you actually need on the ocean, though. It will come in handy. So the wind just died, and we are just chilling out in the lake in the cold air. Bill and Doug are in the berth, cuddling.
I'm not touching him.
He's being a gentleman.
Not too bad for a first boat. It's bigger than I expected.
As soon as we get some warm weather, you both have to get on my Laser and my Force 5. They're racing dinghies, and
Well, you have to invite us.
that's where
for
you
us to do
freaking
that.
like. That's where you guys.
Yeah,
will,
you have
like,
to invite us, Phil.
dude.
The other nice thing about night sailing is Doug puts the camera away. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and hit the like button below.
So have you guys been listening to the Jimmy Buffett?
Just that one song.
Just one song?
Just that one song I sent you.
They're like sending me Jimmy Buffett quotes.